Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent, the all attractive, the all enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Before I get into commenting on the comment of chapter 13, text 3, eating, drinking, sleeping, and mating, and defending are things we can't escape in life, but they can be regulated spiritually. Illusion is to think it doesn't matter what one does, and all is equal. Our efforts are not lost. Be realistic and patient. The higher spiritual planets are supposed to have greater pleasure in their least than the sexual pleasure of this world. You think he'd be mentioning something about drugs, right? Because he was speaking about hippies, right? But let's also remember that our bodies, now some only in the brain, but our bodies contain over 50 chemicals that can produce any high without damage. So we don't have to use intoxicants to reach that point. Real happiness is as a transfer. It is as something shared. Be patient in acquiring power or knowledge. Advanced consciousness is not ignorance of pain, nor ignorance of difficulty, but being more aware of it. Be prepared to adjust to the worst material conditions. The physical is only animated by the spiritual. Our own power is by bringing out our inferior reflection of divine names. Some divine qualities are superior to others. Religion is only supposed to be the tradition by God. Politicians have a greater duty than theirs. Our society's desires are, the two combined. Every form mentioned in Scripture has its importance, and if it is beneficence that we obtain, self-mastery, and surrender, to the ultimate controller, God may be realized through spiritual practice, form, or energy, but not by offense, nor inventing mythology. Our lives are successful through any actual understanding of God. Wealth and place are not the cause or escape of problems. Face death according to the distinct capability of your incarnation. Don't turn down wealth and power when it comes to you. The experience are results of faith and practice can take time to develop. Impiety, foolishness, the impious, the foolish, the oppressed, and those who don't fulfill what they have learned are from those who turn from God. People get of their good qualities from their parents, but they don't have to share their philosophy nor faith. You can't break a faith tradition or philosophy by restriction and oppression alone. Real self and real societal interest is not contradictory. Supremacy is beyond flaw, and even can and even competition. Being godlike doesn't mean we do even divine things without it belonging to and being made possible by God. Faith requires philosophy and science. We need to approach things from the spiritual platform for us not to be dragged down by bodily and mental attachment. Regardless of our birth, our company, we can choose to obtain or maintain our status as clean or dirty spiritually. And text 3. Why did I choose text 3? The Vedic literature. Kshatrane hi sarirane bijam chappe sumba sumbhe tanne vete sayogatma tata kshatrajna uchyate. So, the body. The body is a vehicle, and it's a vehicle by which we can operate a sort of not only consciousness, but very bodily actions. And so there's the difference between the known and the knower, and it's very, trying to be short with a lot of these things. But it's very Gnostic, Luciferian sounding, people are going to take issue with that way of referring to it, but the Svetvatara Upanishad 112. Bhakta Bhogyam Preritaram Chamatval Sarvam Proktam Trivindam Brahmam Metat. Oh, Brahmam. It's none of the cerebrals, but otherwise it said that. So there's three conceptions. So the field of activity, the individual, and the controller. But, God, of course, is the controller thing. And there is a total represented, the cha, one of the opinions about this. So the nature, the enjoyer, and the knower. Okay, I should make clear the nature. But people need to stop blaming things on nature. Oh, it's just my nature. It's like, no, this is what you've internally contrived upon yourself. This is what society has programmed you into. So we need to kind of step apart. Our physical nature, our consciousness, our what controls it, what the difference is between a God controlling and us controlling, and our limited will. We're both controllers, but by knowing yourself, you know God, right? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.